Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you whenever you are updating services, if you get this error, like Windows could not start the VGA service on local computer, just hit the OK to come to back error from error message. After that, I give some steps. You one by one follow to this problem fix it, and in these steps one by one follow to this problem solve. Also, if you have any doubt, go to the comment section and leave the comment. I will definitely reply to you and go to do it that steps. First solution, run as Valorant Admin. So we can go to the desktop, right click on the Valorant game and choose the properties. Then we can go to click on the canary tab. Then we should select the run this program. Then below we should select the run this program as administrator. Then hit the apply and OK to save. Then close it. Then we can go to try next step. Enable VGS services. So we can go to we need system configuration. Just click to open. Then here go to click on the service tab, then scroll down, then select hide all Microsoft services, then scroll down, then below uncheck the here uncheck the VGS. If this unchecked, just hit the check the VGS service, then select it, then hit the apply and OK to save, then close it. Then just restart your system. Then I will skip it. Then after that we can go to Windows services. So type that services. We can click to open, then scroll down, find VGC, then select and right click and choose the properties. Then we can go to click on the this arrow in startup type. So just click on it and select the automatic. After that, here below there are available service status. Just click on the start to change the running. Then after that, hit the apply and OK to save that properties. Then we will come back to services. Then finally your system will restart. Then your problem should have solved it. And if you have any doubt, leave the comment. I will definitely reply to you. And don't forget like and subscribe Mr. Learning YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.